Write my LinkedIn profile. I'm a project manager with 6 years of experience. I'm transitioning into operations, and I hate writing about myself. That's it. That's the prompt. And if you type something like that into ChatGPT right now, you'll get back a full LinkedIn headline, summary, and bullet points in about 12 seconds. Most people have no idea this is possible. They spend weeks staring at a blank profile, or they just copy their resume and call it done. There's a better way. Here's what happens when you give ChatGPT that kind of prompt. It doesn't just spit out generic sentences, it builds you a complete narrative. A headline that actually sounds like a person wrote it. An about section that reads like you're talking to someone at a coffee meeting, not submitting a form. Experience bullets that lead with what you accomplished, not just what you did. The difference matters. Managed a team, get scrolled past. Led a cross-functional team through a product launch that cut delivery time by 30%, makes someone stop. ChatGPT knows that distinction, and it'll apply it to your background automatically. You don't need any technical skills for this. Free ChatGPT works. Just go to chatopenai.com, start a new conversation, and describe yourself the way you'd explain your job to a friend. Messy is fine, incomplete is fine. ChatGPT is really good at pulling signal out of rough input. The more specific you are, the better the output. Vague prompts get vague results. That's true of every AI writing tool, and it's worth knowing up front. Try something like, write a LinkedIn profile for me. I've been a teacher for 8 years, I'm moving into corporate training and instructional design, and I want to sound confident but not corporate. Here are some things I'm proud of professionally. And then just list them. Bullet points, fragments, half sentences, doesn't matter, dump it all in. ChatGPT will reorganize it, punch up the language, and hand you back something that sounds like the best version of how you describe yourself. And if the first draft isn't quite right, tell it that. Make the tone warmer, or make the headline shorter, or I don't want to mention that I'm transitioning, can you reframe it? It just adjusts. That back and forth is actually where the magic is. And if this is the kind of thing you want more of, Stack Future drops one of these every day. After ChatGPT writes your profile, people usually copy-paste and stop there. Don't do that. Read it out loud, seriously. If you stumble over a sentence or it sounds like it was written for a legal document, flag it. Go back to ChatGPT and say, this sentence sounds too formal. Can you rewrite it in simpler language? It'll fix it immediately. This is personal branding with AI done right. You're not handing your voice over to a machine. You're using it to find your voice faster. The goal is a profile that sounds like you on your best day. Not a robot, not a template, you. One more thing, ask ChatGPT to write 3 different headline options. LinkedIn headlines are small, but they carry a lot of weight in search results. Having options lets you pick the one that feels most like how you want to show up professionally. This is one of the best ChatGPT tips that almost nobody talks about. Your LinkedIn profile is often the first impression you make before you ever meet someone. It deserves more than a rushed copy-paste of your resume. And now you have a way to build it well, without it taking all weekend. Open ChatGPT, describe yourself honestly, and let it give you a first draft. Then shape it. That's the whole process. Tomorrow, we're getting into something a lot of people asked about. 5 ChatGPT tricks that make you sound more confident in any situation. Emails, meetings, hard conversations. Most people completely miss these. If today's video helped you, a like tells YouTube to show it to more people who need it, and that actually means a lot.